I don't really know if there's anything better than to be able to just adventure with your family unit and get to experience new things at every turn. We're the Picketts, and this is the Beyondland Road Trip. The hunt for Beyondland to me is like what's out past where we've been. To me, that's like a new place I get to explore. My name's Pickett, and I'm from Bozeman, Montana. So Asher, my son, is crazy energy, crazy athlete, but also very sensitive at the same time. Story, my daughter, is sweetest thing in the world, and she's like a light bulb. She's just full of life. Nellie, my wife, is a rock. She is patient, loving, loyal, and so mellow. She's the greatest.
We've taken off on a family road trip to kind of just get away from COVID and just explore something new and just go be together.
South Dakota has really blown me away. There's so many hidden gems in this state that I just didn't even know existed.
I think teaching with nature is actually easier than using books, because in nature it's more appealing to everybody, so it makes it more fun and exciting, and you never know what you're going to get.
And it's not the raspberry. That was juicy.
Hiking Cathedral spires was cool to see the kids interacting with nature, with the raspberries and then the rocks and then on the big spires was really fun to see.
The kids' minds were blown in the Badlands. They were just like, what is this place, you know?
The Badlands are so cool.
Check this out. South Dakota is magical. The road to Mount Rushmore is stunning. You know, the kids, my son calls it the smiling faces. The Palisades are so cool. It's absolutely gorgeous. You know, it's like I would never expect that to be here.
No, you turn that way. I'll turn this way.
I hope my kids take away like good family memories and just learning new things. I would say to a family who's thinking about this, do it. Whether you have doubts or whatever it is, just do it. It's fun.
I love this place.